Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a fan heat degree symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe, and below we just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a fan heat degree symbol in your Google Sheet mobile. So first of all, I just click on here and just going to zoom in here and just click here. Now, if you click on this plus symbol on the top, you can't find any insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet mobile. It's only available on the web. So use your keyboard as an alternative to insert the symbols like a fan heat degree symbol. So now click on this number section and you just first of all click on the caps and you click on the F that you just needed. So I just created a lot of F here. Now click on this number section, click on this and just place the cursor here. Click on the degree symbol. You can find this degree symbol and create a fan heat degree symbol on your using your keyboard on your Google Sheet mobile. So this is how you just insert a fan heat degree symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.